One, two, and three.
Welcome to Bali.
Okay.
Hi! Nandito ako ngayon sa Bali, Indonesia. Wala lang akong boses. Dalawang araw na akong walang boses.
Anong oras na, Miss P?
Ang oras ngayon, ako, 1:30 AM na. Nandito kami ngayon sa Bali for a wedding of fair visit with kamahalan. I'm Pogi. Ito na si Kuya. Si Kuya. The Poging Kuya.
Oo, mabuti po.
Okay, hindi ako nakapag-intro na maayos. Wala akong boses. Hi guys, nandito ko ngayon sa Bali, Indonesia. So, kung papunta kami, check-in lang kami ni kamahalan. Then, tomorrow later morning, diretso na agad kami na ocular visit. Ang ganda dito sa airport nila. Nakakaloka. Third world country din, pero ang ganda. Meron silang train lang naman sa loob din ng airport. Aray. Pakita nga ng Pogi. Oh, Pogi nga.
Which one do you order? Which one?
Yeah,
The first one.
Tiga dah, Mbak.
3 ya, minumnya sama.
Korean garlic.
Nagutom kami.
3 ya, 3 paket.
So wala na daw bukas ng after midnight na local like restaurant.
Yeah.
So McDo na lang or
Nanti
or
500 sinilapin aja na.
Okay.
gutom.
Alam mo sis, ang pinaka first in... Mainit, no? Alam, wala pa akong make-up. Ayun na. Wala pala sa sabaw. Thank you.
I do.
Because I'm a vlogger.
I see.
Going to the beach, you have to pass by a cave.
Yes.
I'm with the vlogger this morning.
Yeah.
And
How long?
join us with the vlogging.
1 minute.
Good.
Thank you.
Sarap, di ba?
Oh, sarap, di ba?
Guys, ang ganda ng view dito. Mga puti and beach. Yung mga may abs.
You give me a nice package, huh? I will bring my mother here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ganda, oh.
They like to go here.
Isang ganda. Ang daming...
Good
Ayaw ko
for...
magsalita.
Ang
Yeah,
daming edibles.
this good for like looking for sunburn.
Ang daming puti dito.
Nakaradar first time. Side trip. This is just a side trip. After this, we're going back to work.
Yeah, going up. But if you want to take picture, we can take picture over there.
Yes.
Have a good spot over there.
Start na ng work namin. Hi, Michael.
Back to work. Oh my God!
Hold on.
Hello, everyone.
So we're visiting the first resort. It's Uluwatu Surf Villas. It's so nice here. For me, it's a cheap rate because 15,000 pesos lang per villa. Sa Pilipinas, worth 40,000 na yan. Mga Shangri-La villas. Ang ganda. Okay, we're going down. Ay.
Yeah.
Sabi nila,
Yeah.
Kaya
no,
nga.
Rain because we make a
Oo.
rain.
Diba? May rain stopper daw sila. So, ang hinahanap ko kasi, syempre, backup venue. In case it rains, kahit na summer, kasi diba ganun sa atin.
Kung walang indoor.
Oo, kung wala siya lang indoor. So, sabi namin, paano pag umulan? Ano yung backup? May rain stopper daw sila. So, yung rain stopper, sis, is the
Prayer nila.
prayer. So, you said...
Very effective.
So, you said it's effective.
Yeah, for all the wedding is effective.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think we should hire
We should know that.
The last wedding rain, but after the party, like when it's about 10 p.m. they already jump to the pool and rain. It's good. But not like big rain, just
Not
a small
big rain.
because then rain stopper again.
Okay.
Sa totoo lang, ang sulit na dito sa 150,000.
Oo,
Ang
sobra.
sulit na dito na mo yung baba niyo.
Sobra. Oo nga eh. 110 weddings a month? How do you do that? We only have 30 days.
Only one hour, you know, like
1 hour. Wow.
or reception.
So we're here at, syempre Pinoy kami, hindi kami pwedeng walang payong. Ayan, sa Blue Point.
Simpleng wedding lang naman kasi hindi naman katulad sa pinapasabong na
Yes,
production.
correct.
Ito kasi maitawid. Alam mo,
Oo.
more on ano sila, on experience tayo kasi.
Oo.
Step.
Kailangan aesthetics eh. Nice. Ay, parang bet ko to. Meron tong Glass House Chapel. Kaka-search ko lang kanina.
Ito, malakas maka-valid destination.
Oo. Ganda ng feels. Hi. Ganda mo dyan.
This home, the umbrella.
Yeah, can you put it on our luggage? In our luggage.
It will be my salary.
But we will pay now. Down payment for the event.
It's for Japanese wedding, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Because the owner
So
is
this is not Bali.
Japanese.
Ah.
Japanese.
Japanese, yes.
Even the other resort, the Blue Point, I think it's Japanese.
The Blue Point?
Yeah.
Before.
Oh, I don't know.
So, we're here in Bulgari Resort Bali. Oh, naririnig niyo yung hangin. Iba dito. Malamig. Ayan o. Malamig siya. Ganda. Para kaming nasa Baguio. Malamig. Sisan lamig. Ba't malamig sa Bulgari?
Dahil ba yung mataas yung ano nito?
Yung mas mataas yung ceiling niya.
Structure niya?
Or dahil mahal?
Ano bigino?
Oo. Magkano daw yung villa per night?
Parang almost 100,000. pesos.
100,000 pesos. Well,
Naka-Bulgari ka naman.
Naka-Bulgari resort ka kasi. Siyempre, what can you expect? 20,000.
Kaya ko sa inyo, instead mag-Bali kayo, mag-Highland Bali na lang kayo sa Nueva Ecija.
Correct.
Sulit na sulit. May Spanish bread pang free. Baka naman Highland Bali, Madam Geng.
Gusto ko yung naisingit nyo sa Highland
Baka
Valley.
may pa-free trip ka.
Correct. Maraming salamat, kuya. Let's go. So here. Yan. Bulgari Resort Bali. Gusto ko magkano kaya yung pagkain dito. Try natin. Let's go. Pang ilan na natin itong resort? 4? 4th resort. Ganda oh. So we're here in Alila, Uluwatu. So nice. Tapos na ang day 1 namin dito sa Bali. Swimming time. Pero ayaw maligo ni Michael.
Diba sa Highland Bali, nga po ng swimming pool, di ako naliligo doon.
Oo, hindi siya mahilig mag-swimming. Pero we're getting ready na rin for our body massage. Nagpa-room service kami ng massage. Muna lang. 800 pesos. It's considered a 5-star hotel dito. 5,000 pesos yung room. Tapos yung massage nasa 800 pesos lang. Mura na yun, guys. Compare talaga sa... May natin compare. Pero it's mura. Yeah. So, good night, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow for our day 2 and last day here in Bali. Day 2. Last day in Bali. With kamahalan. Isang bilis natin. Uwi na tayo agad.
Ano sasabihin ko?
Hindi siya marunong sa vlog. Mag-hi ka lang. Hi, vlog.
Sorry, pang porn lang talaga ako. Hindi ko alam yung vlog na ganito. Pag ubarin mo ako, alam ko gagawin ko. Hello everyone! Welcome to Bali!
Yeah, yun ang gusto ko. Ang taas na energy. Tapos itutour ko sila sa villa natin.
And see you in Highland Bali!
Nasingit mo yun. Okay, so ngayon, guys, itutour ko kayo sa villa namin ng magulo-magulo yung villa.
So, let's start with the entrance.
So, ayan, ang kalat lang. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung una. Pero ito yung living room, may aircon, pool. Naging housekeeping bigla si Michael. Ayan, so ito yung room. King bed size. Yung TV na hindi namin na-maximize. And CR. So, alam niyo naman, gusto ko yung ganyan, nakahiwalay. O, diba? And then, may bathtub. Yan. Maganda siya for, of course, very sulit. For 5,000 pesos. Ayan. So, saan tayo ngayon, sis?
Kakain.
Kakain. Gutom na kami.
Siyempre, ayaw ko ng gutumin.
Oh, dapat lang. Sige.
Ayaw ko ng mga yaya. Kailangan sustain.
Bastos. Dapat daw sustain. Sige guys. So, kakain lang kami. And then, may tatlong last resorts kami pupuntahan. After that, I will have a meeting with the client and explain to them yung mga packages, recommended namin na top 2 na recommended resorts. Hirap kasi pag sobrang dami, kahit nga kami nahihirapan pag ang dami options. So, bigyan ko na lang sila ng top 2 and then doon na lang sila pipili. Good morning! Gutom ka ba?
Malungkot ako eh.
Bakit?
Kasi sablay na naman ako kagabi. Siguro hindi ako may problema, baka yung cellphone ko. Tapon ko na lang kaya yung cellphone ko, no? Pinapahamak ako palagi ng cellphone ko eh.
Yes, is intentional yun. Hindi yun intentional. Unintentional pala what ano ba yung English ko.
Kano?
Love you, sis.
I love you.
Oh no, it's okay. We're full.
No, we don't expect this. We're expecting more. Do you have pizza?
Yes, we have in our restaurant.
Is there a complimentary pizza? Oh, it's too bad. Okay.
For you.
What do you call this?
This is we call jamu.
Chamo. Is this?
Made with tamarind.
Oh, I see. I thought it's
Oo,
tamarind.
tama rin, Uncle. Sisi, hindi ko na kaya yung mga ganyan maaasi.
Why is it? It's only.
Nagbubulungan sila. This is a room. So it's like your indoor dinner reception day.
Yes, correct.
You have holding room here, and this is your foyer. Kuya, can you show the foyer area? Or they can have cocktails. After ceremony, they can do cocktail here. And then going in for the dinner reception. Wow, so beautiful!
Sobrang ganda.
Sobrang ganda, the view. Amazing. Kuya, can you? Thank you. For the after party.
Usually we have it inside.
Yes. Oh, the drinking.
The cocktail area is still here. Yes. You can do ceremony in the water? Yes. You just drain the water? No. So, you have acrylic something?
We don't provide that really. Usually the wedding organizer will provide it.
We can rent from here.
Oh no.
Hi, sige, we use this for the kiss ceremony or to be for the party here.
Okay.
Huh, so... Oh,
And
and then
these
there
are
are
the
the rooms.
Yes.
How many rooms?
Here, in total, we've got 3 king's room and 1 twin room.
One queen room.
Hindi na yung pa-under ng mga ano.
Ang ating lalamunan, Sisi. Free ice.
Jackfruit.
It's a
I
jackfruit.
wanna try that, the chop.
This one is coffee.
No, this is cinnamon.
Cinnamon. I want this salted caramel.
Salt caramel.
How about you, Kuya? Kuya, what do you want?
You want red?
Chocolate. Road here. The passageway is quite hard. Ah.
Okay, just until here.
Yeah.
Just until here. So, where is... So, going to
Dito
Balanga.
siya naka-check.
Oo.
Dito na talaga lahat. Sa akit sila pag wala ng araw. Ganun ganun.
Oo. It's a long walk. And the cliff is there. Ang galing no, dami natin napuntahan. No?
Pagkita naman kasi ng edge, no? Sa college.
Yun kaya yun? Hindi, no? Sis, ang dami natin napuntahan. Do, puro beach. Ha?
Next time expert ka na sa Bali.
Oo, next time expert na ako dito. Parang yung iba na pabalik-balik sa La Union, Siargao, no? Kabisado mo na siya. Ito naman.
Gideon, oh, may pasalubong ako sa inyo, Teddy. Ah. Kuya. Oh, Pak. Naglalaway si Miss P, oh.
Ano ba yan? Ba't pa ako nag-asawa ng maaga?
Kuya, where is Bali? Oh, Pak.
Walking there, yeah?
But you can, there's a way. The truth and the life. It's
Hey,
walk.
don't let us walk. You keep on letting us walk and walk.
No, Miss P cannot walk because she's pregnant. The baby will come out anytime because of you.
Okay.
So, this area is so wide, but it's a public place. This is really a cliff. Ah, not this one, sis. There, so this is the cliff. Last stop. Ayana. Ayana ba? Sis, tama.
Yeah, top, yeah.
Hindi naman dahil na.
Gusto mo yung from Brazil ka. Thank you, Sari. May architectural design na ganito. Ganda. See, it's so... Look at the art. Social, no? Pero yung character nga niya, yun pa rin. Bali na Bali. Pero may koi, sis. Japanese. We're here in Ayana Resort. Marami pa yung servings.
Or you eat yourself now.
Okay, so we went back here in Alila because this is the top choice of the bride. So I want to talk with them regarding the package because the package is not quite clear for me. But the second top choice of the bride, the package is clear to me already. And also I wanna try one menu or one course from this restaurant kasi same chef lang din naman, so at least I would know if the food is good. This one I need you to rate it. But later.
I make the new one for you.
Okay, but later.
Sure.
But also make a new one for me if you make a new one for her.
It's finished already. This one's still full.
Thank you.
Bye.
And we'll see you again January, okay?
January.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Don't forget
you.
to...
Bye, Miss P. Go home.
Uwi na ako.
Nagpaiwan eh.
Kainis kayo Guys, doon nagtatapos ang aking vlog here in Bali.
Kailan mo kaya yan?
Hindi ako nakapunta ng Ubud, but I'll make sure pagbalik ko ng January, itutour ko naman kayo sa Ubud and other places in Bali. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog ko.
Goodbye!
Bye! Kuya, you say bye! Bye!